Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD JPY dollar yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the daily chart or weekly chart of JXY. Yes, in my previous video on USD JPY, I clearly showed that JXY Japanese Yen Index was standing at a very crucial support. And as we all know that all the JPY pairs are flying for the last couple of weeks because JPY has been showing significant fall. We had a very strong support around 79.85, but JXY broke the support, and right now you can see that it is trading below the support. And right now JXY Japanese Yen Index does not have any support on the chart. Previously we were hoping that JXY would bounce from the support zone, critical support zone, and there would be some correction, some selling, or some entry opportunity on any JPY pair. Here this is not the condition for USD JPY only. In fact, all the Japanese yen pairs are the same right now. JXY broke the important support, and if the downtrend continues, if the selling continues, then again all the JPY pairs, USD JPY, GBP JPY, or JPY, and ZD JPY, all the pairs will start flying again. So things are not much good for JXY. Okay, so if it tries to recover, well and good. We will try to enter at retracement, but otherwise I am not sure what will happen to JXY right now. In fact, the Bank of Japan, it depends on the Bank of Japan right now. And now let's look at the chart of USD JPY. If we go to the 4-hour chart of USD JPY, we can see that right now market is standing at 128.21. This is the current market price here. So yesterday when USD JPY came down to the Fibonacci 23.6% retracement level, around 127.43, we saw market bouncing from there. So my dear friends, if you already have a buy position on any JPY pair, okay, not only USD JPY, any JPY pair, I think that you should be on the buy position, because overall the market is still very much bullish, and we have already seen on the chart of JXY that it has broke the support, and we do not have any proper support right now. So if Bank of Japan intervenes and takes any measure, then we may see some recovery. And if the selling continues on JXY Japanese Yen Index, then yes, the uptrend, up move on all the Japanese yen pairs may continue. So if you have a buy position on USD JPY or any JPY, be on the buy position. I think that you will be making good money. Just keep on trailing the stop loss, okay? And my dear friends, if you in case by today, okay, if you see market coming down to the level of 127.43 again, observe the price and see. Okay, observe the price and see, because already Japanese yen has seen a lot of selling, so there may be some temporary correction or temporary recovery also. So if USD JPY comes down to the level of 127.43, yesterday's level, observe the market. If it shows price rejection just like yesterday, if you see a hammer kind of a pattern, bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing pattern at the support of 127.43, you can go for a buy position. But as we all know that Fibonacci 23.6% is not the strongest level. Okay, so if market breaks 127.43, then the next trading opportunity or the next buying opportunity may come to 126.20 to 126.30 level. This will be our second entry opportunity in the market. If market comes down to this level, observe the market. There's a good possibility of market bouncing from here, because this is not only Fibonacci 38.2% retracement, but we also have the additional support from the 50 moving average. So we have Fibonacci 38.2 plus we have 50 moving average. So if we combine both the factors here, there's a good chance that in this uptrend market, USD JPY will take support and will bounce from here. If it bounces, we can go for a buy position. But my dear friends, risk management is extremely important in this market condition, because we all know that market has been very volatile for the last couple of weeks and months. So please follow proper risk management. My analysis can be wrong as well. Any good setup may fail in the market, but it's your responsibility to protect your hard-earned money. So follow strict risk management and do your proper lot size calculation. And regarding resistance, I do not have much say, because the resistance level that we see here is just a swing high. Okay, this is not a very strong resistance. We cannot consider this as a very strong resistance level. This is just a swing high in the market. When the buying will come, if any in case of any good buy or any bullish pressure in the market will break the resistance and will start flying again, because this is not a trend reversal level. This is just a swing high. Under normal circumstances, if the market is very slow and dull, then you can expect the market to reverse from this resistance. Otherwise, this is not a very strong resistance as well. If you take a sell position at a resistance level, just make sure that you follow proper risk management, because at any given point market may push towards the upside again. So be careful while taking a sell position in this uptrend market. And that's it. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.